closing. Doa-ga-shimarimasu. Please stand clear. Doors are now closing. Doa-ga-shimarimasu. Go-chūi kudasai.
The two massive volcanoes that pushed Hawaii's big island from the sea are named Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. The nearest to Waikoloa is called Mauna Kea, which means White Mountain in Hawaiian. True to its name, Mauna Kea is capped with snow much of each year. Mauna Kea was a landmark for the ancient Polynesian voyagers who navigated the Pacific by following stars in the night sky. The summit is now one of the best spots in the world for studying the universe and is home to 13 telescopes. Mauna Loa, the Earth's largest volcano, means Long Mountain in Hawaiian. This name is apt, for Mauna Loa covers half the big island of Hawaii, and its landmass amounts to about 85% of all the other Hawaiian islands combined. We are now arriving at the Palace Tower. This is also the location for Palace Lawn, Wedding Pavilion and Palace Garden, Kirin Chinese restaurant located to the left down the museum walkway, and Imari Japanese steakhouse located to your right. Mahalo and have a wonderful stay with us. Please watch your step as you exit the tram. This is the Palace Tower.